Sugar stocks, they've definitely been the flavor of the day. A big move, double-digit gains in a lot of these names that we're seeing, including the likes of Sri Renuka, etc. There are multiple expectations, one of a hike in MSP and perhaps some sort of positive news coming in on ethanol as well. Manisha joins in with all things sweet. Manisha.
Oh, yes. Well, there are absolutely three things that the industry anticipates that they will see as a positive for the sugar industry. I mean, they have been long waiting for this also, and this has been impending as well. So one, as you mentioned, is the hike in MSP. Remember, in last 4 years, we've seen constant increases in FRP, but no increase in minimum selling price of sugar. It has been holding steady at around 31 rupees per kg, and the market has put it out as 41 rupees per kg of an expectation. Well, there have been some source-based information coming in from the ministry officials suggesting that yes, there will be a hike, but it would be reasonable and perhaps not at 40-41, but whatever the industry gets perhaps would be on the positive, as they have been stagnant at 31 for last 4 years now. The second important point really is about ethanol. Now, the new ministry, as having taken charge, we've seen initial statements coming about in positive for ethanol. In December, after those restrictions on ethanol, with the kind of investments that the sugar as an industry has made, it was a bit of a setback and a pullback as well. But now, as the minister said, that 15% of ethanol blending for the month of May has been already achieved, and that the ministry sees that it is on target for 20% blending by the end of 2025. There was also a quote suggesting that out of 81,000 odd PSU outlets, nearly 13,000 already have E20 being delivered out. So the expectation is that if we are looking at a 20% blending, the requirement for ethanol would be to the tune of 1,016 crore litres, and that is what has been positive for the industry. And the third thing that is supporting the sugar industry is the fact that the markets also are anticipating an increase in the ethanol pricing. With FRP having been hiked for the next season, the ethanol price hike is what the street is awaiting for cane and also for B heavy, to the tune of around 62 to 65 rupees therein. So three things on cards, whatever comes in, and as soon as the other ones come in as well, is going to be quite positive.
Okay, all right, got it. So that's the expectation on which sugar stocks are definitely getting excited. Though, I mean, with food inflation being so sticky, will that MSP hike really come through or not? Well, we'll wait and watch. Thank you, Manisha, so much for putting that in perspective for